Yo, my God. When can I stop calling me bumbo clot?
He the fuck, he talking to, he the fuck. Sorry, excuse my language.
You love me fucking line or something?
It's nothing special.
So where the bumbo clot can I stop ring me ass?
Listen,
What?
don't act like I phoned you yesterday, because I don't.
Did you call me yesterday?
No, I didn't.
So when your mom slept?
I never phoned you yesterday.
Yeah, you did.
No, I did not phone you yesterday, don't take it.
Come on, my pussy clot phone and that's your for the hair.
I'm telling you, Shane.
Come on, my fucking phone.
I'm telling you, Shane.
Fuck
Don't
off.
talk to me like that.
Me say if you fuck off. Yo, stop me out. I like it. Stop me out.
Who you chatting to?
Suck me cocky.
You give it a go from the other day, stinking big pussy white girl from format. That's what you need to do.
But you are my big dirty stinking pussy black girl.
I lie? Swear down. Swear down. Okay. Hold tightly.
You need to have a blood clot pastry. You can't even afford a blood clot 10 pence drinks. Much less.
Please.
A store.
Do you have a PS3 upstairs, please?
Alright, you're rich. You're rich, no?
Xbox 360 in right here now. Okay.
Alright.
Shut your mouth, baby.
Listen. Alright.
Shut your fucking mouth because you don't fucking know shit.
Tell me your BlackBerry pin.
Stupid little bastard.
What is your BlackBerry pin?
You're not coming on my BlackBerry because I don't want your mix-up stuff on my BlackBerry.
Because you have a blood clot BlackBerry. You have Nokia berry.
Listen, I'm speaking on a BlackBerry right now.
What's your pin then? BlackBerry what?
Right now.
What is that, curve?
BlackBerry card.
Curve what?
815, 20 thing, whatever, the 8520.
Yes, 50, 20, bomb,
All in all.
shut your mouth. Get a dirty mouth. You just a chat a bag of shit. Come on from me run. No, me I'll go on your bomb clock with. Yeah. And fucking bitch.